Welcome back to Cheated Death Fabrication. In this video, we have a Nissan Xterra in the shop and we're building a winch bumper. This bumper is going to be somewhat similar to the Xterra I did previously. If you want to watch the video to that build, I'm going to link that video in the description as well as the comment section below. It is going to be just a little bit different than the other bumper. I'm basically just bringing in this one a little bit closer to the fender over here and on the driver's side as well. And instead of a closed off middle section here on the bumper, we're going to have an open box for a winch. As you can see, the bumper has already been removed, so I can jump straight into fabrication. And as always, the fabrication process has been turned into a little montage for your viewing pleasure, and I will check back in once this bumper is complete and installed. That concludes the front bumper build for this Nissan Xterra. I am very happy with how this bumper turned out. We've got a classic, simple, yet effective design for this bumper, which includes the winch plate and accessory fog lights. And those fog lights are actually wired to the factory fog light switch. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more builds coming up next at Cheetah Death Fabrication, and I will see you guys in the next fabrication video.